How to permanently delete your Samsung account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to talk about permanently deleting your Samsung account. So first, you need to go ahead and open any web browser on your device. I'm using Chrome. Search for a Samsung account or go to account.samsung.com. Then after, tap on the first link that appears and sign in to your Samsung account through the browser. Once you're signed in, go to Profile and tap on Manage Samsung Account. Now you'll see the option of Email ID, Google Account, and Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account. Scroll down to this page. Simply check this option and then tap on Delete Account, which is highlighted in blue color. Then after, you need to enter your password of your Samsung account and then tap on Confirm. Now your account will be deleted. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.